front of me is VIVO iQOO Neo 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Fingerprint, Face and Password. Then tap on Enable the lock screen password here. Wait 5 seconds to choose Continue in the pop-up. And tap on Other password types to pick the best one for you. Pattern, 4-digit PIN, 4 to 16-digit PIN or mixed password. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. So now when I go back, turn off my screen and switch it back on. Icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!